Islam. Welcome.
You know, we had a
person. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
So glad to be here.
Thank you very much. It's
good to see you again. How are you, sir?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How are you? You
No.
It was very tight. It was very, very tight.
This is a great moment of hope for Somalia. A new government is installed, a new parliament is installed. I think today or tomorrow the parliament will meet with the cabinet, and it was a great opportunity to speak to him about what he sees as the realization of nation building here in Somalia, his plans for development, his plans and concerns about security, and what the immediate short term, but building the short term into the medium and long term goals.
This is a working group. Define some lines, because I must admit to you, Mr. President, some of it was
Getting some of the structures are so close to the runway.
You know what we can? We will continue to provide the support to AMISOM. We discussed the really credit that goes to AMISOM, particularly with respect to the great price that they have paid in the loss of lives to bring Somalia to where it is now.
And on the mock, they talked very much about the enabling unit.